In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Jira filter public. This is a very practical skill for anyone involved in project management or software development, as it allows you to share your custom filters with your team, streamlining collaboration and efficiency. Whether you're a project manager or a developer, being able to share relevant information is crucial, and understanding how to manage this in Jira is a great step forward. So let's dive right in and learn how to make a Jira filter public in just a few easy steps. First, you'll want to open your Jira account and navigate to the Your Work section. This is where you can access your dashboard and see an overview of your activities. Understanding your way around this section helps you keep everything organized and see what needs your attention before diving into specifics. Once you're at the Your Work area, locate the Filters option. It's usually situated in the top menu. Filters in Jira are an incredibly useful tool because they allow you to query specific sets of data. For example, you might have a filter that shows only unresolved issues, or one that lists tasks assigned to a particular team member. This is a significant advantage when managing complex projects with a multitude of moving parts. Now click on the View All Filters option. This will take you to a new page where you can see a list of all the filters you've created or have access to. It's a centralized place where you can manage your filters, and it helps you quickly find any existing filters you've previously used. Here you'll see a list of your filters. To proceed, select the filter you wish to make public. Finding the right filter is important, as this is the one you intend to share with a broader audience. Beside the filter name, there will be three little dots. Click on those dots to reveal more options. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Edit. This will open the settings for your selected filter. Editing filters is a powerful feature, allowing you to refine and tweak your saved searches to ensure they display precisely the information you want to be shared. As you move through the settings, you'll see a section labeled Editors. This section is pivotal because it controls who can modify your filter settings. Carefully manage this section, especially if different people need to update or maintain these filters. Here's where we delve into the crucial part of the process, changing the filter's privacy settings. Look for an option labeled Private and click on it. This action will present you with a new set of options regarding accessibility and sharing. Select Project from this list, which enables you to define who within your project team can see the filter. Each project in Jira can have different access settings, so making a filter public at this level allows everyone involved in the project to benefit from the visibility it provides to specific data. Once you've clicked on Project, the next step is to click on Select Project. At this point, you need to designate exactly which project should have access to this filter. This decision should be made based on which group of people you want to share the data with, ensuring that everyone who needs the information can access it without problematic delays. After you've made the selection, it's time to select the exact project from your list. Browse through and choose the correct one that you want to associate with the filter. This choice should support the work processes of your team or department, enhancing productivity by providing commonly required data. With your project selected, the last thing you need to do is hit the Save button to apply all the changes. This final step commits the modifications you've made to the filter's settings, making it available for the designated project audience. Saving is crucial as it ensures that all the work you've just done is retained and officially applied. And there you have it, you're all set. Your specific filter is now public and accessible to your team members within the chosen project, allowing them to stay aligned with the information that affects their workflow. Making filters public in Jira is quite straightforward, yet it plays a significant role in collaborative environments where transparency and communication are key. That wraps up our tutorial on making Jira filters public. It's a simple process, but one that can greatly enhance your team's ability to work together effectively. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your work in Jira more efficient. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your project management tools. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.